If you want to fill your life with blessings, fill your life with gratitude, fill your life with thanks to Allah, fill your life with Alhamdulillah. For every blessing, thank Him. The Quran has laid out this rule. You cannot go wrong when the Quran lays out something. If you were to thank Him, He would increase your blessings. So for what you have, the food you get, the roof you live under, whatever blessings you start to count and thank Him for, He is going to increase them. So if you want increase and happiness, increase in your blessings, start to thank Him every time you receive a blessing, every time you hold a cup of water or tea or coffee in your hand. Thank Him for everything. You spend money and thank Him for that. You receive something, thank Him. And if you receive something that you don't really like that much, you don't like a particular thing, thank Him anyway, because you're better off than billions of people on this earth. Keep thanking Him and keep increasing your blessings.